Exercise 6.2 question number 6 লকে কৰা হ'ল question number 7 7 8 9 10 সেটা আছে question number 7 টো হ'ল using theorem 6.1 prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. Recall that you have proved it in class 9. So a theorem to class 9 already prove কৰি আছে and this theorem is known as midpoint theorem বুলি পাইছিলো এতিয়া আমি ফিগাৰ ড্ৰ কৰিব লাগিব A line passing through a midpoint of one side of a triangle and parallel to another side of a triangle bisects the third side. A line a line passing through the midpoint of one side of a triangle. That means here DE line is passing through D, and D is the midpoint of AB, and DE line is parallel to BC. We need to prove that this line D line bisects the third side. That is, here the third side is AC. We need to prove that AE equal to EC. E is the midpoint of AC. Which triangle ABC in triangle ABC D is the midpoint of AB. A line parallel to BC a line parallel to BC and passing through D intersects AC at point P. We need to prove AE equal to BC. Let in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of AB. D is the midpoint of AB. A line parallel to BC. This line is parallel to BC and passing through D, and it is passing through D. Intersects AC at point D, and it intersects AC at point D. So we need to prove that E is the midpoint of AC. That is A equal to AC. Since DE parallel to BC, therefore AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. LCM. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Again, D is the midpoint of AB. Therefore, AD is equal to DB. since D is the midpoint of AB, so AD equal to DB. Therefore, Question 1 we get AD by AD equal to A by PC. AD by DB, but we know that AD and DB are equal. So in place of DB, we can put AD. It is AD by ADB. It is equation 1. It was AD, it was DB, but DB and AD are equal, so we can put AD in place of DB. So implies AD by AD is equal to 1 A by AC. By cross multiplication we get A equal to AC. Hence proved. So question number 7 is complete. Question number 8. Question number 8. Using theorem 6.2, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. It is the converse of the theorem, midpoint theorem, converse of midpoint theorem. And we need to prove that when a line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. ABC is a triangle. Let in triangle ABC, D and E are the midpoints of sides AB and AC respectively. In triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC, but we have written D and E are the midpoints of sides AB and AC. That is, D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC, so it is given respectively. We need to prove DE is parallel to BC. We need to prove that DE, the line DE, is parallel to the third side of this triangle. The third side of this triangle is BC, so we need to prove DE parallel to BC. Now I am going to prove since D is the midpoint of AB, therefore AD equal to DB. AD equal to DB, because D is the midpoint of AB. But when we write 1, definitely AD equal to DB. AD and DB are equal, so the ratio of AD and DB will be 1, because AD equal to DB. Similarly, this is equation 1. Again, E is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, AE is equal to EC and implies AE by EC is equal to 1. Equation number 2. Now we can compare equation number 1 and equation number 2 because the right hand sides of the equations are same, 1 and 1. So we can compare the left hand side. The left hand side of this equation will be equal. Now from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, we get what? We get AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is equation number from equation number 1 and 2. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Therefore, converse by the converse of by D inverse of LCM. We get here, according to the question, we have to apply theorem 6.2. Using theorem 6.2. Theorem 6.2 is the theorem converse of Thales theorem. When a line divides two sides of a triangle in equal ratio, then that line is parallel to the third side. Here it can be applied because DE line divides the two sides. AD by DB, AE by EC divides AB and AC in equal ratio. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So by the converse of Thales theorem, we get the line is parallel to the third side. Hence, okay. Question number 8 is complete. Question number 9 or 10 to task.